today we are going to discuss profit and loss appropriation account. Up to 11th class, we have only completed profit and loss account. In that profit and loss account, we have mainly two sections. One is trading account, another one is profit and loss account. Correct? So after completing profit and loss account, we are going to get a balance of net profit. That means net profit can be known. So today onwards, we are going to discuss the just next topic, that is profit and loss appropriation account. It's an extension of profit and loss account. We are going to extend this profit and loss account. Extension of profit and loss account is called profit and loss appropriation account. Before that, we have already completed the topic profit. Shows which balance? Profit shows credit balance. Correct? If we are going to transfer this profit into appropriation account, in this appropriation account, which side we have to write this?
Credit side.
We have to mention in the credit side. By you can see that profit and loss account. In bracket, it is clearly mentioned that what is net profit transferred from profit and loss account into profit and loss appropriation. The first journal entry we need to pass when we are going to transfer this net profit into appropriation account. What is the first journal entry?
Profit and loss account.
Profit and loss account debtor to P&L appropriation account. Very good. Is there any doubt? See, if a profit shows credit balance and we are going to transfer, we need to debit this profit and loss account. That means profit and loss account is already cancelled. Now what is only remaining? Profit and loss appropriation balance is only remaining. Is it okay? We need to transfer this profit into which account? Profit and loss appropriation account. What is the first journal entry?
Profit and
Loss account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. Is the next item is what we need to adjust? Interest on drawings. When we are going to adjust interest on drawings, you have to think profit balance is going to increase. Suppose imagine we got a profit of 60,000. Imagine I transferred this profit into appropriation account. Correct? So when we are going to adjust interest on capital, our profit balance is going to increase or decrease. What is happening? In the absence of partnership deed, yesterday we clearly mentioned and we studied there. What is?
No interest is to be charged.
Interest on drawings is to be charged. Correct? The partnership firm, suppose ABC Limited is going to charge from partners. Imagine A and B are partners. So if a firm is charging, automatically profit balance will increase because they are collecting that amount into the business. Correct? A is going to pay, imagine 5,000 as interest on drawings and 5,000 from B as interest on drawings. Automatically 10,000 rupees increase is there in the partnership firm. So we need to add this total A and B 10,000. When we are going to treat interest on drawings, the profit balance of a firm is going to increase. Clear? So, my next question is, when a partnership firm is charging interest on drawings from partners, one is opening entry, second one is closing entry. Second one is closing entry. What is the opening journal entry? Whenever you are going to discuss the journal entry, you have to keep one point in your mind. Whenever we are passing the opening journal entry, that journal entry is going to connect it with the capital account. Capital account of partner. Closing entry will comes under appropriation account. We can check it like that once again. See, I am going to prepare capital account. Okay. We have two sides, debit side and credit side. Capital account shows which balance? Credit balance. Why? Why? What is the reason behind why the partners capital account is shows a credit balance? Capital will comes under liability side. Why? See here we are going to write the capital. Correct? Here two partners are there, A and B. Outer column the total. This is the format. Yes, we have completed already. According to 11th class. Suppose if you are getting 60,000 profit. Correct? What we are doing normally? The 60,000 we are going to add along with the capital. Remembering or not? Yes, capital plus profit drawings we are going to minus drawings minus. So these are all the adjustments we have completed already in 11th class. So here capital account shows which balance? Credit balance. This point you have to keep in mind always. Hereafter we are going to connect all the opening journal entry related with which account? Capital account, and all the closing entries are connected with
Profit and loss account.
appropriation. Now we can see what is the difference is going to happen, or what will be the difference in capital account. So capital account shows credit balance. So by balance carried on or brought down? Balance brought down. Clear? Any amount for understanding, better understanding, I am going to take 1 lakh rupees. Okay. So when the partnership firm is charging interest on drawings, you have to think whether this capital balance is going to increase or decrease. What will happen in the capital account? If I am preparing A's capital account, A's interest on drawings is how much? 5,000. So this 5,000 rupees is going to increase by 5,000 from capital account or going to decrease from capital account. What will happen? When a firm is charging interest on drawings, capital account balance is going to decrease because ABC Limited is charging from A. Okay, A's capital was 1 lakh rupees. Capital account shows which balance? Credit balance. Whenever you are going to prepare one particular account, you have to keep one thing properly in your mind, that is, if an account shows which balance. Here capital account shows which balance? Credit balance. Now use the logic. If you want to increase the capital balance, what we have to do? And if we need to decrease the capital balance, what we need to do? If you want to increase the capital account, same method, that means we need to credit. This logic, please fix it here. If any account which shows a credit balance, if we need to increase that balance, we need to credit it, and if we want to decrease the balance, we need to debit that particular item in that particular account. Clear? This is a logic. Clearly fix it first, then very easily we can understand the topics. So see, interest on drawings. When a partnership firm is charging interest on drawings, partner's capital account is going to decrease. So if you want to decrease an account which shows credit balance, we need to debit it. Capital account shows which balance? If we are going to, if we are means partnership firm. If partnership firm is going to charge interest on drawings, it will go down. So we need to debit it. You can see that the entry 2 what?
Partnership capital.
Interest on drawings is the item. Correct? 5,000. Now you just balance this account, then you can very clearly you can understand what is going to happen in the partner's capital account. See, if I am balancing, which side is a shortage? Debit side is a shortage. How much? 95,000. Because 5,000 is item, interest on capital. Balance carried down is 95. What was the opening balance? 1 lakh. When we are charging interest on drawings, capital balance is going down. What is the journal entry for interest on drawings?
When opening,
Opening entry.
partner's capital account debited to
Very good. Partner's capital account debtor to interest on drawings. Now, what is a closing journal entry? Opening entry, 1 minute. Opening entry, I am going to write what? Partner's capital account debtor to
interest on
very good. Interest on drawings. Yes. So So second entry, when we are going to close, we have already discussed we need to transfer this item into which account?
Profit and loss.
Appropriation account. Okay. Think from the side of ABC Limited. Profit is we have already 60,000. Imagine for understanding only I am taking an imaginary figure. 60,000 was the profit. So when a firm is charging interest on drawings, balance is going to increase. See, 60,000 was the profit. 10,000 we charge interest on drawing. So total 70,000 we will get. Nothing is remaining. Here also 70,000, that is a profit. Profit transferred to capital. We have. The firm is going to charge interest on drawings. Profit balance is going to increase. Keep in mind. Then what is a closing entry for interest on drawings? See, first of all, we have credited already interest. When we want to transfer means we are going to close interest on drawings. So what is a closing entry? The credited interest on drawings we need to debit it. So the entry will be interest on drawings account debtor to very good P&L appropriation account. Now I am going to show you another magic. See, and now we are going to debit interest on drawings. So what will cancel automatically? Interest on drawings is cancelled because I credited same amount 5,000 and I debited also 5,000. So result is 0. Now what is remaining? Partners capital account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. This entry is not there in your textbook. For understanding only, I am going to conclude the topic once again. What is the journal entry for interest on drawings? What is the opening journal entry? Before that, you have to think. Opening entries are always connected with partners capital account, and closing entries are always connected with profit and loss appropriation account. So first entry, what is the journal entry? Capital account shows which balance? Credit balance. If a firm is charging interest on drawings from partners, capital balance is going to increase or decrease? Very good. Capital balance is going to decrease. So if you want to decrease an account which shows credit balance, we need to debit it. See, on drawings, partnership firm is charging from partners. Closing entries are always connected with appropriation account. So if a partnership firm is charging interest on drawings, automatically the firm's profit will be increased. Profit will increase because they are charging from partners. See, 60,000 was the profit. We have already charged 10,000. So profit balance will increase to rupees 70,000. So please conclude it fast. What is opening journal entry for interest on drawings? Partners capital account debtor to interest on drawings. Very good. Closing entry will be interest on very good drawings debtor to P&L appropriation account. This is the journal entry for interest on drawings. Is there any other item is there in the credit side of the P&L appropriation? No, only two items. First one is by profit and loss account. What is in bracket? Profit transferred from where? P&L account. These are the two journal entry, opening and closing journal entry for interest on drawings. Now we are going to discuss the rest of the three items that are interest on capital, salary, very good, and commission. See, when we are going to adjust these three items, you have to fix one thing in your mind, that is, whenever we are going to adjust these three items, capital balance of partners. Suppose imagine if this is A's capital account. Here shows which balance? Credit balance. First, firm is going to give interest on capital to whom? Imagine here A. Okay. By balance carrying brought down, we already mentioned there for better understanding. Brought down 1 lakh. If A is going to get 10,000 rupees as interest on capital, his partner's capital account balance is going to increase or decrease? Capital account balance is going to increase because ABC Limited is going to provide interest on capital to whom? To A. At that time, capital balance is going to increase. What is the interest on capital?
10,000.
10,000. Post it. What is the journal entry? If a capital account shows which balance?
Credit.
If you want to increase that balance, we need to.
Credit.
Very good. We need to credit it. So credit it by what will come? Interest on
Capital.
capital will come 10,000. Just to balance it once. Here how much is the total? 1,10,000. Here nothing is there, so 1,10,000 automatically to balance carry down 1,10,000. What was opening capital? 1 lakh. Now what is the closing capital? 110. Capital is increasing. Because of interest on capital, partners' capital balance is going to increase. Balance is going to increase. What is the opening journal entry then? Interest on capital account. Interest on capital account debtor to
Partners capital.
very good to partners. Here A is there, so directly I can write AS capital account. Partner is A. I am going to credit that 10,000 rupees in AS capital account, so automatically AS capital balance will increase. Ready? Now closing entry. See, firm is going to two way you can think this logic. If a firm is giving interest on capital to A, automatically firm's profit is going to increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Firm's profit will decrease. Profit shows which balance?
Credit.
Credit balance. If you want to decrease, we need to debit it. Very good. So what will come? To interest on capital will come 10,000. So automatically profit balance will come how much? 15,000 is the carry down. Correct? Because 60 is the total. Now profit was 60,000. Then a firm is going to provide, or at that time 10,000 as interest on capital, automatically firm's profit will go down. So what will be the profit? 15,000 only the profit. Previously how much it was? 60,000. So what is the journal entry? Very good. P and L appropriation account debtor to
Interest on capital.
very good. Wonderful. Interest on capital. You can see the logic here. Interest on capital, first of all I debited. Now interest on capital I credited. That means temporarily interest on capital is closed. Is it okay? So what is the journal entry? Opening journal entry for interest on capital. What is the logic? First of all, capital account shows which balance?
Credit balance.
So when a firm is providing interest on capital to a partner, automatically capital balance is going to increase. So what is the first journal entry? Interest on capital to AS capital account. See, we credited, so capital account balance will go up. 1 lakh was the capital. Now at the end of the year 110. Same way, what is the closing entry? Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital. Why? Because when a firm is providing interest on capital, automatically balance will go down. Profit shows which balance? Credit balance. If you want to make it down, we need to debit it. 60,000 was the profit balance. Now it went down to 15,000 rupees. Interest on capital is clear. Same method, you can change only the name. I am just going to change. If a firm is going to provide salary, capital balance is going to increase or decrease? Increase. Because who is going to provide? Firm is going to provide. ABC Limited is going to provide salary. How much? 10,000. Capital balance is going to increase. Balance is 110. Increase. So what is the journal entry? Just change it. Instead of interest on capital, what will come? Salary will come, or partner salary will come. Salary to AS capital, CV credited, because capital account we need to increase. Same way, instead of interest on capital, what will come? Closing entry. Salary will come. So what is the closing entry? Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to partner salary. Here we can write interest on capital. Salary will come. Clear? So what is the opening journal entry for salary? Salary, partner salary. Just add the word because partnership is the topic. Partner salary account debtor to partner's capital. Here A is the partner. Closing entry, profit and loss appropriation account debtor to partner salary. Just change it. Commission also. Commission is also same. When a partnership firm is going to give commission, right? To whom? To partner. Change it. Instead of salary, what we can write? Commission we can write. When a firm is going to provide a commission also, capital balance is going to increase. Correct. So these three items, what are the three items? Interest on capital, salary, commission, these three methods are same. Whenever a firm is going to provide these three items, automatically capital balance
Will increase.
very good will increase. So if you want to increase the capital account, we have to debit or credit all these three items in the capital account. Very good. We have to credit it all these three items in the partner's capital account. It is very simple to understand. One more journal entry is only remaining in the P&L appropriation account, that is reserve. Suppose I got 60,000 rupees profit. I am going to keep 10,000 rupees as my reserve in the business. So what will be the remaining profit? 50,000. So here you can write Q reserve 10,000. Same amount I am writing 10,000. So the balance is 50,000. This much only we can. What we are going to do with this remaining 50,000? We are going to transfer it into partners capital account. Correct? Partners capital account we are going to transfer. Previously how much was our profit? 60,000. Now I am going to keep how much as my reserve? 10,000 I am going to keep it as my reserve. What is the remaining amount? 50,000. What I am going to do with this 50,000? I am going to transfer it into partners capital account. What we are going to transfer? Appropriation profit we are going to transfer. Transfer it into capital account. So what is going to happen in capital account? Capital account is going to increase because firm is giving a share of profit to the partners. The last entry is profit and loss account.
Profit and loss appropriation.
Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to
Partners capital.
very good partners capital account. Now we are writing current account. We will discuss in the next class. See, we are going to credit it into partners capital account. Why? Because we are distributing the share of profit. So if you are going to distribute the share of profit, capital account is going to increase. That's the reason we are going to credit. So what is the last journal entry? Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to partners capital account. This is the way we are going to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. We can solve the exercise question after using this logic.